Legends of Learning presents the Garden Quest game. This is a science game that makes learning about the growth and development of organisms fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, Garden Quest is a relaxing educational adventure where players explore a vibrant island garden and help living organisms grow, develop and reproduce. Players guide plants and insects through their life cycles by completing interactive tasks such as pollination and seed growth. Use the arrow keys or the WASD keys to move around the island. Press E to interact with objects, collect items, and progress through tasks. Follow the on-screen prompts and use the journal if you need a reminder of the current objective or the correct order of stages. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.